Welcome to our Bitcoin for Beginners course. If you're curious about Bitcoin, what it is, how it works, or even thinking about investing, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the origins of Bitcoin, why it's become one of the most talked about innovations in finance, and what makes it such a revolutionary digital currency. Let's start with November 1st, 2008. On this day, someone using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto sent a message introducing a groundbreaking idea: a decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This system, Bitcoin, was unlike anything the world had seen. Unlike traditional money systems, Bitcoin required no banks or central authorities. Transactions could happen directly between people, making it part of a larger movement toward decentralized finance, or DeFi. It was a radical departure from the way financial systems typically operate. In Bitcoin's design, transactions are verified by the network through a process called mining. Miners contribute their computer power to solve cryptographic puzzles, securing the system and earning bitcoins as a reward. This entire system ensures that no central authority is needed to maintain trust. At first, Bitcoin was primarily used by a small group of cryptography enthusiasts. It wasn't until October 2009, when 5,050 bitcoins were exchanged for just over $5, that Bitcoin gained real-world value. This marked Bitcoin's first moment as a commodity with a price. And then, in May 2010, something historic happened. 10,000 bitcoins were exchanged for 2 pizzas, marking the first time Bitcoin was used to buy a real-world good. This is now celebrated annually as Bitcoin Pizza Day. From there, Bitcoin's network grew quickly. By 2017, the value of a single Bitcoin had surged to over $7,000. Bitcoin had evolved from a tech experiment to a serious player in the world of DeFi and global finance. So what makes Bitcoin so special? At its core, Bitcoin is software, a decentralized system where value can be transferred without relying on any central authority. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, making it predictable, limited, and resistant to inflation. But Bitcoin doesn't just act like money, it automates many of the functions of a central bank without needing human intervention. Instead of trusting a bank, Bitcoin users trust the network, which is decentralized across thousands of computers worldwide. It's important to remember, though, that Bitcoin isn't without risks. One of the biggest challenges is its volatility. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate dramatically, sometimes in a matter of hours. These swings can offer both opportunities and risks for users and investors alike. And then there's the issue of security. Unlike traditional bank accounts, where you have customer support, Bitcoin requires personal responsibility. If you lose your private keys, the codes that give you access to your Bitcoins, you lose your funds forever. So, it's essential to take security seriously when using Bitcoin. We'll cover more about securing your assets later in this course. But remember, understanding how to properly store your Bitcoins is just as important as understanding how the network works. Bitcoin has come a long way since 2008. From a niche experiment to a globally recognized asset, it has fundamentally transformed how we think about money, value, and decentralized finance in this digital age. In this course, we'll dive deeper into how Bitcoin works, why it matters, and how you can get started safely and responsibly. Whether you're exploring its potential for everyday use, interested in its technology, or even considering investing, we'll give you the foundation you need to navigate the world of Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on Bitcoin and decentralized finance. This is just the first step. There's so much more to learn, and we're here to guide you through it. Let's dive into the world of Bitcoin and explore the future of decentralized finance together.